Hi guys, today I'm reviewing La Dermanuse 100% pure certified argan oil. This is a Moroccan argan oil. It's available on Amazon by La Dermanuse, and I received mine for free in return for my honest review. Um, this argan oil is great for your hair, skin, nails. I use it on my hair. I have the split ends, the damaged hair, and I've been using it, and it leaves my hair um, less frizzy, really soft and smooth. Um, I love the way it feels on my hair. It doesn't weigh my hair down, and it doesn't leave a residue when I use it on my hair. I've also used it on my skin as well as my daughter's skin. She has a problem with eczema, and this really moisturizes her skin really well. I use just a small amount on her daily, and her skin is softer, is smoother. She doesn't have the eczema flare-ups as much, and she's not scratching at it. This is really helping to moisturize her skin as well. Like I said, this is a really great product. um, I would highly recommend you checking it out. It's available at a really nice price on Amazon. um, if you want to use it for your skin, your hair, your nails, if you want some healthier nails, I would recommend. This is a multi-purpose product that can has so many different uses, and it's high quality Moroccan argan oil. It's made by La Derma Nu, and it's available on Amazon.